There are many ways to celebrate love. For you're someone special, only the best will do. This Valentine's Day, show them you care with the gift of horsepower. Buy a complete Armageddon turbo system at goturbo.net between now and February 14th and receive a Hearts on Fire diamond necklace absolutely free. Diamonds and Armageddon turbo systems. Gifts to last a lifetime. Diamonds and Armageddon turbo systems. In either case, you get what you pay for. Diamonds and Armageddon turbo systems. Horsepower for you, forgiveness from her. Diamonds and Armageddon turbo systems. Something shiny for both of you. Diamonds and Armageddon turbo systems. Because true love is made under pressure. GoTurbo.net